how to delete Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, People Masnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Now first things first, you want to make sure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version, or else you might have issue with deleting your account. Now if you want to delete your account, first update your application and then simply open up Facebook application. You should get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on the settings or the gear icon below it. Once you tap on it here, you'll find the account center option there on the screen. As you can see, you want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it here, you'll find the option account settings. Under it, you can see personal details. You want to head into it. Under personal details, you can see the option account ownership and control. Simply tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll see deactivation or deletion. Again, tap on it and then select the Facebook account that you wish to delete, and then you can see deactivate account and delete account. Simply tap on delete account option and make sure that the blue mark is on the delete account option, and tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you can simply tap on continue here, and then you can deactivate your Messenger account as well if you want from here, and scroll down to the bottom and then tap on continue. And once you do so, it'll ask you for password, and once you enter in your password, you'll be able to delete your account. So this way you can delete your Facebook account after the latest update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.